Just 1 handful of fish mint a day, and it can support up to 11 health issues. From acne, liver heat, bloating, to diabetes and high blood pressure. But if used incorrectly, it could actually harm your liver, kidneys, or stomach, causing fatigue, digestive issues, and even insomnia. Fish mint, a common herb in daily meals, known for its strong fishy smell that many find off-putting, is considered a valuable, green medicine, in both traditional Eastern medicine and modern nutrition. Multiple studies have shown that this plant not only helps cool the body and detoxify the system, but also supports digestion, enhances skin health, balances blood sugar, and even prevents abnormal cell growth. But the key question isn't just how good it is, but whether we're using it properly. Who should take it, who should avoid it, and how much is enough? Dear friends, before we dive into the main topic, let's briefly talk about the components found in fish mint. Fish mint, also known as Houttuynia cordata, grows wild in moist areas. Has a naturally cooling property, a slightly spicy taste, and is often eaten raw with meals. Beneath its humble appearance lies a treasure trove of active compounds, flavonoids for antioxidant support, quercetin for anti-inflammatory action, and decanoyl acetaldehyde, a compound with antibacterial and antiviral properties. These are exactly why fish mint is known for supporting liver detox, reducing acne, promoting urination, lowering blood pressure, and boosting immunity. However, despite its many benefits, overuse or misuse of fish mint, especially if it doesn't suit your body type, can lead to digestive upset, insomnia, or interact negatively with medications. In today's video, let's explore 11 powerful health benefits of fish mint, how to use it safely and effectively, and the important precautions to protect your health in a natural and sustainable way. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your loved ones, because sometimes, a simple cup of fish mint a day could help someone live a healthier life without needing medication. Light bulb 1. Detoxifies the liver, cools the body, and helps prevent acne. Many of us have heard the phrase, hot liver causes acne. It sounds like folk wisdom, but it actually aligns with how our body works. When the liver is overloaded due to alcohol, greasy foods, or prolonged sleep deprivation, it loses its ability to filter toxins effectively. These toxins then build up in the bloodstream, showing up externally as dull skin, rashes, or acne around the mouth, back, and chest. Fish mint, with its natural cooling properties and mild spiciness, helps regulate body heat, purify the blood, and stimulate liver function. It also contains powerful flavonoids that protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals, the culprits behind hepatitis and liver fibrosis. When your liver is well supported, you'll notice brighter skin, fewer breakouts, and a calmer inner feeling. Important note: fish mint is only a supportive herb for liver health and internal skin improvement. If you have serious liver issues like hepatitis B, high liver enzymes, or severe fatty liver, do not replace prescribed medication with fish mint. See it as part of a healthy lifestyle, and always consult your doctor before long-term use. Light bulb 2. Supports digestion and relieves constipation. We're all familiar with the discomfort of feeling bloated after meals, struggling to go to the bathroom, or going days without a bowel movement. Constipation not only affects your comfort, but also disrupts sleep, skin health, and mood. It's like your digestive system is backed up, and if not gently cleared, it can lead to hemorrhoids, colitis, or toxic buildup over time. Fish mint is rich in natural fiber that increases stool bulk and gently stimulates bowel movements. Its antibacterial and soothing properties also calm the intestinal walls, especially helpful for people whose constipation is caused by internal heat or poor diet. When used regularly, you'll likely feel lighter, experience less bloating, eat better, and go more easily. However, note, fish mint is not a cure for chronic constipation. Those with severe hemorrhoids, GI bleeding, or long-term colitis must seek medical care. Think of fish mint as a gentle, natural digestive aid, not a replacement for professional treatment. Light bulb 3. Anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, especially helpful for women's health. Fish mint is known for its cooling, anti-inflammatory, and powerful antimicrobial properties. Traditional medicine often uses it as a steam or wash for the intimate area, helping relieve itching, heat rashes, or abnormal discharge, especially during hot weather or postpartum. Compounds like quercetin and decanoyl acetaldehyde can inhibit bacteria, fungi, and certain viruses that cause mild vaginal infections, while also soothing and speeding up healing of sensitive skin. I once met an elderly couple in Thap. The wife had recurrent infections despite using medication. She tried steaming with fish mint twice a week, improved her hygiene, and adjusted her diet. After a month, her condition significantly improved. Still, let me emphasize, fish mint can only assist with mild or early stage infections. If you experience prolonged discomfort, pain, or abnormal discharge, do not self-treat with folk remedies. Seek medical diagnosis and treatment. Fish mint is a valuable ally, but not a substitute for prescribed treatments for vaginal infections. Light bulb 4. Reduces fever and soothes mild cough, especially in children. Fish mint is particularly useful for mild colds, fevers, or phlegmy coughs in children during seasonal changes, thanks to its cooling and anti-inflammatory effects. It's often boiled into tea or blended with rice water for easier intake. Many mothers still use this method along with sponge baths and rest, with good results in early-stage mild fevers. However, only use this method under adult supervision and for mild symptoms. Do not delay medical care if your child has a high fever, persistent cough, or signs of pneumonia or acute infections. Fish mint is only a gentle helper, not a replacement for fever reducers or antibiotics. Light bulb 5. Supports blood pressure and heart health. This is especially helpful for older adults with fluctuating blood pressure. Fish mint contains flavonoids and isoquercetin, antioxidants that help relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Its mild diuretic effect also helps the body release excess salt and fluid, supporting stable blood pressure. Still, if you're on blood pressure medications, do not skip or reduce your dose when taking fish mint. It should only be part of a healthy lifestyle, not a replacement for medication. With consistent use, you may feel lighter, your heart rate more stable, but medical monitoring is still necessary. Light bulb 6. Clears the lungs, especially for smokers or those in polluted environments. Our lungs filter thousands of liters of air daily. Inhaling smoke or pollution can damage them, leading to chronic coughs, phlegm, or shortness of breath. Fish mint contains quercetin and decanoyl acetaldehyde, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help cleanse the respiratory system, loosen mucus, and make breathing easier, especially for smokers. That said, fish mint cannot replace treatment for chronic respiratory conditions like bronchitis, asthma, or COPD. The best solution is to quit smoking and combine fish mint as a supportive herb, a truly sustainable path to lung health. 7. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. For those living with diabetes, keeping blood sugar stable is a long-term journey that requires a combination of medication, nutrition, and healthy routines. Some studies have found that fish mint, Houttuynia cordata, may slow the absorption of glucose after meals, thanks to active compounds that positively affect sugar metabolism. Additionally, the high fiber content in fish mint helps control appetite and reduces sudden spikes in blood sugar after carbohydrate-rich meals. When taken regularly, for example, diluted and consumed in the morning on an empty stomach, many people report improved energy, more stable blood sugar, and a lighter mood. However, fish mint is only a supportive herb. It does not replace insulin or prescribed medication. Any use of fish mint should be carefully integrated into a treatment plan under your doctor's supervision. Used properly, it gently supports your body, but misused, it could lead to serious complications. 8. Prevents kidney stones and promotes natural diuresis. Kidney stones often form when mineral deposits build up in the urinary tract over time. One simple preventive measure is keeping the urinary system clear, something fish mint can help with. Its mild diuretic effect encourages the kidneys to flush out excess fluid, reducing the risk of salt, calcium, or uric acid buildup, common causes of kidney stones. Using fish mint 3 to 4 times per week, while drinking enough water and eating a low-sodium diet, can help your body feel cleaner and improve urination. Some people with mild symptoms report noticeable improvement. However, if you already have large stones, blood in urine, or intense pain, do not self-treat. You must seek medical care. Fish mint is best viewed as a preventive companion, not a substitute for proper medical intervention in complex cases. 9. Promotes healthy skin and prevents acne. Fish mint contains potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin and flavonoids, which help calm inflamed skin, clean out clogged pores, and reduce internal heat-related acne. It also supports liver detoxification, one of the root causes of recurring breakouts. Used regularly as a drink, face mask, or raw food supplement, many people report clearer, brighter skin and fewer pimples. However, results vary depending on your body type and require consistency alongside a healthy diet and lifestyle. Fish mint is not a miracle cure, but it can be an effective natural addition to your skincare routine. 10. Boosts immunity and helps fight infections. During seasonal transitions or when the body feels run down, fish mint's natural antibacterial and antiviral properties can help reduce the risk of colds, sore throat, and minor respiratory infections. It is also rich in antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals and support immune function. Plus, fish mint provides vitamin C, beta-carotene, and trace minerals, all of which help strengthen the mucous membranes, gut lining, and respiratory tract, where pathogens often enter. While not as strong as targeted medication, regular use of fish mint in your diet creates a stronger, more resilient natural defense. 11. May help prevent cancer. Early research suggests that the flavonoids and antioxidants in fish mint may slow the growth of abnormal cells and reduce chronic inflammation, two key factors in cancer development. However, this is only a supportive, preventive effect, not a cure or substitute for medical treatment. Fish mint should be part of a health-conscious lifestyle that includes regular screenings and medical guidance, not a replacement for professional cancer care. Dear friends, while fish mint is generally safe and gentle, it's not suitable for everyone, and using it correctly is just as important as knowing its benefits. If you frequently experience internal heat, acne, constipation, mild hypertension, or want a natural way to detox, fish mint may offer gentle support. People managing diabetes, minor urinary infections, or productive coughs can also benefit by including it in meals or drinking it as a herbal tea. However, those with a cold constitution, frequent chills, loose stools, or cold hands and feet should limit use. Pregnant women in their first trimester should be cautious, as the herb may affect the uterus. Those taking blood thinners, antihypertensives, or managing chronic conditions should consult a doctor before using fish mint regularly. Children under 2 years old should not consume it frequently, and if used, it must be heavily diluted and closely monitored. Fish mint should be consumed in moderation. Healthy adults can take it 2 to 3 times a week, around 20 to 30 grams of fresh leaves per use, either as herbal tea or diluted juice. Children over 2 should take it once or twice weekly, in smaller amounts and more diluted. Avoid using it every day or for more than 7 consecutive days, as this may cause side effects like digestive upset or insomnia. Timing is also important. For detox or liver support, drink it 30 minutes before breakfast. For digestion, Use it 1 to 2 hours after meals. For blood pressure or blood sugar, take it before breakfast or dinner, but not on an empty or overly full stomach. In short, fish mint is a gift from nature. When used in the right amount and at the right time, it can benefit your liver, digestion, heart, skin, and immunity. But if misused or overused, even a gentle herb can become harmful. Listen to your body. If it feels right, keep going. If not, stop and seek professional advice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Share it with others to spread health knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tips on herbal remedies, healthy foods, and everyday wellness tricks. Wishing you peace, good health, and well-being from the inside out. See you in the next video.